Original seat without seat covers are prone to getting dirty and worn out easily. Installation method of front seat cover. Airbag opening can be opened. Put the cover on the car seat. Adjust the seat cover and make it fit smoothly and seamlessly. Wrap the seat cover in place. Insert these 3 tapes into the gap. Please refer to the video for the correct positioning of the elastic hooks on the extended flaps on the bottom. There are 2 elastic hooks on the extended flaps, and hook them and take out. Please check the details from the small picture on the middle top side. Pull out the 3 tapes just inserted. Pass all 3 straps to the front. Set the seat to the back end position. Pull out all 3 straps to the front. Wrap the bottom seat cover in place. Connect 3 straps with the buckles. Please check the details from the small video on the right top side. After connecting, do not tighten it and go to the next step first. Press the position with the palm of your hand. Use your other hand to tighten the straps at the bottom. Insert the strip into the slit. Tuck the side flap of the seat cover into the gap. Insert another strip into the slit. Tuck the side flap of the seat cover into the gap. Find the strip, pull it out. Use the mantle hook to join the 2 strips together. Find another 2 elastic belts from 2 sides of the bottom seat. Insert the strips into the slit. Please be careful not to hurt your fingers. Use the wand to help you. Tuck the side flap of the seat cover into the gap. Use the mantle hook to join the 2 strips together. Attach 2 elastic hooks to the bottom frame of the seat. Please check the details from the small picture on the left top side. Insert the edge of the seat sleeve into the gap by using tool. Use the tool to insert the side flap of the seat back cover into the gap. Put on the cover for the front armrest. Installation method of rear seat cover. Remove the rear seat, take care. Pull the switch on the bottom of the seat. Please check the details from the small video on the right top side. Disconnect the wire socket. Please check the details from the small video on the right top side. Unzip the seat cover and cover it on the seat. Split the seat back into two parts. Constantly adjust to the most suitable position. After the seat cover is installed in place, zip it up. Tear the anti-stick cloth and sticks it to the back. How to use the separate long Velcro strip and installation. Want to get the Velcro from the front through the bottom to the back. Take the long piece of Velcro, place the sticky side down and the glossy side up. Pass the separate long Velcro strip from the back through the bottom to the front. Pull the Velcro halfway out from the back to the front. Please don't pull it all the way out. Then stick it together with the Velcro on the seat cover. And pass the Velcro through the bottom. Go through the top of the metal bar. Pull out the long Velcro from the back and the Velcro on the seat cover will be easily pulled out. Pull out the Velcro on the seat cover, tear the anti-stick cloth, take the long Velcro apart, stick the Velcro on the seat cover, tighten it to the back. Repeat the steps just now to get another Velcro on the seat cover from the front, through the bottom to the back. Unzip the seat cover and cover it on the seat. Adjust the seat cover and take out the seat belt. Put the seat cover to the most suitable position. Put down the armrest. Insert the side piece into the gap, taking care not to hurt your fingers. After the seat cover is installed in place, zip it up. Tear the anti-stick cloth and sticks it to the back. Repeat the steps just now and install another seat back cover. Go through the top of the metal bar. Put the cover on the armrest box. Insert this part from here. Swing the armrest box up and down, and this leather can be easily pulled out. Tear the anti-stick cloth and stick it to the back. Repeat the steps just now to pass the two Velcro on the armrest cover through the bottom to the back. Installation method of the door pads. Removing the piece requires a bit of skill. Pull it towards the front of the car. Lift up from the bottom to remove successfully. After removing the parts, wrap them. Use the chucks to wrap the straps together. Then it will be installed against the snap back to the original position. Installation of rear seat cushion cover. Wrap all the edges. Connect the bottom straps to each other. Connect the side elastic belt by attach hooks or across through the side tapes. After that, connect the wire socket. Adjust the location of the rear seat. Insert the seat into the gap and press it back to its original position. Pull out the seat belt socket. Pull out the seat belt socket. Be sure to adjust to the most appropriate position. Bravo! The installation of Tesla Model 3 2024 seat cover is now complete. You're awesome! We hope you enjoy the installation journey. If there is any problem with the installation, please consult our customer service. Thank you for watching.